The Supreme Court has ordered an independent investigation to the alleged adulteration of laddus at the Tirupati temple. The independent Special Investigative Team, headed by the CBI Director, will replace the SIT formed by the Andhra Pradesh Government. The Apex Court maintained that an independent investigation was needed to assuage the hurt sentiments of crores of devotees. Ashmit standing by now with more details. So, Ashmit, essentially, the Supreme Court not leaving it to the state SIT.
Indeed, and that's after the Apex Court had raised question marks over how independent this SIT will be, the one appointed by the Andhra Pradesh government, in light of the comments that have been made by Chandrababu Naidu. The Supreme Court was not impressed with that, saying that there is no evidence to suggest that the contamination being spoken of, that the contamination being alleged of the prasadam, of the ghee in question, was in fact animal fat. There is no evidence to that end. There is also no evidence to pointing towards the fact whether that contaminated ghee had been used for the prasadam. And in the absence of that, the Apex Court expressed frustration as to why constitutional position holders like the Chief Minister would make remarks asserting that there was indeed contamination and that is something that should not have been done. The Apex Court also said that it will not allow the use of the Supreme Court, of the judiciary, as a platform for politics, and with that, to assuage the sentiments, quote-unquote, assuage the sentiments of crores and crores of devotees. The Supreme Court said that the best course forward is to not go ahead with the SIT appointed by the Andhra Pradesh government, rather substitute it with one that has been appointed now by the Apex Court. It's a 5-member committee. There will be 2 members from the CBI, 2 members from the Andhra Pradesh administration, and importantly, 1 member from the FSSAI as well. The Apex Court has very clearly pointed out that this 5-member SIT will work under the supervision of the CBI Director. They will file their reports and their findings to the Apex Court. So the Apex Court trusting the hands of this court-appointed SIT rather than the Andhra Pradesh government-appointed SIT.
All right, Ashmit, appreciate you joining us. Now, supermarkets